Welcome to the CS-DNS Quickstart. And first thing I'm going to do is log in using the credentials that would have been provided for you. And our goal here is to quickly walk you through setting up the CS-DNS system. Now, by default, this is going to be a one-time thing where you have to select your tenant, and we're going to go with global for now. And we'll have a quick tour, which is exactly what I'm going to give you, so I might as well close it. My first order of business is I'm going to create what we call a profile. Now, a profile, as you can see from this example that I already have here, consists of blocked categories, allowed categories, a whitelist, and a blacklist. Let's go ahead and create a new profile. I'm going to call it demo. You can call it whatever you want. And then blocked categories, you can either choose one or literally start typing. So sensitive is in general tends to be what you would want for a family. In fact, that's what I use for my family. Like questionable content, weapons, the kind of stuff, violence. So let's go with sensitive. But then maybe within that category, there are some things that you would like to allow, like parked domains, which sometimes I would want to go to, or else I myself am part of the hacking community, so maybe I want to see this. But for the purposes of this demo, let's say that I would also want to blacklist one particular domain, it's something in particular that I would like to stop. And this is going to be example.com. Let's add it, and away we go. So now I have this demo profile. If you are unsure what category a particular site is, you can actually check it. So let's see Xvideos. Xvideos is a well-known porn site. And if we do a check, we know that it is sensitive adult pornography. So you can go ahead and block this whole category to block this site and any like it. Let's go back to profile management. Now, I have my demo profile set up. How am I actually going to instruct CS-DNS which of my users actually fall under family and which fall under demo? That is profile endpoints. For the purposes of this quick start, I'm going to use an IP endpoint, but you can also use an API endpoint, which is subject for another video. Let's put in my friendly name. So let's go, for example, Talon office, which is where I am based right now. And I would like everyone in my office or my house or headquarters, whatever, to be filtered by a particular profile. So I'm going to click here to use my own IP, which is exactly right, that. And I can either choose family or demo. Let's go under demo right now. We'll click save. Now I see that I have a particular IP under demo. And really and truly, that's all the setup that's required from the CS-DNS page. But let's test it out. I am going to open a command prompt. It should open sometime soon. And I'm going to use a quick and dirty way of checking that I am being filtered. So if I do a NS lookup, NS lookup is a program that we can use for sending DNS queries, which is exactly what we're interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and check exactly if a particular query is filtered yes or no. So first thing I'm going to do is set up my querier in this lookup to use the CS-DNS server, which is this. This is in our documentation. Click OK. Now, if I did this right, because I am behind my public IP, example.com should be blocked. Okay, so example.com should be blocked. And there we go, query refused. How do I know definitely that it's working? Because if I now remove my blacklist, the query should pass. There we go. This time it worked. So that's what the setup that's needed. Now, as an added bonus for this quick start, let's say you are on Windows and you would like to actually set up your PC to use this profile that you just set up. You simply need to open the settings page. This is Windows 11, so settings page, and type in network. There we go. Now, whether you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet is up to you. I am using Ethernet. And you have this lovely thing here, DNS server assignment. Edit. Ideally, you actually use DHCP, which means you go into your router, your ISP router, or whatever it is that controls your DHCP, and put in these DNS settings over there. But let's say you just want to test your PC for now. You can put it as manual on and put in that IP address for the CyberSafe DNS server. And that's it. You're done. There are more flexible setups that can be done, but for that I highly recommend that you go to our quick start, which is on our support site. And the quick start, for those of you who are interested, looks something like this. So you have welcome, quick start, and you have a lot of good information over here, as well as how to set up more involved profiles. Thank you very much, and should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.